I almost didn't test this idea. Not because it was difficult to build, not because it was expensive, but because it looked too simple. Sometimes the strangest fishing ideas are the ones we ignore first. And when I finished making this little setup, I honestly wasn't expecting much. If I showed it to most anglers without any explanation, they would probably say, "There's no way that works." And maybe I would have said the same thing. But fishing has taught me one important lesson. Never judge a lure by the way it looks in your hand, because what matters is what happens underwater. And what happened next completely changed my opinion. Before I explain anything, I want to ask you something. What is the strangest fishing lure or fishing setup you have ever used? Was it homemade? Did it actually catch fish? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy DIY fishing ideas, homemade lures, and unusual fishing experiments, don't forget to like the video and follow for more fishing content, because what you're looking at started with a few simple items that most people already have at home, and somehow it turned into something far more interesting than I expected. The idea started with a simple metal safety pin. Nothing special. Then I added a fishing hook. After that, I attached a glow skirt to create movement and attraction underwater. As I looked at it, the shape started to remind me of a small octopus. Not a perfect imitation, but something with tentacle-like movement that could attract attention. The glow material added visibility. The skirt created action, and the hook stayed perfectly positioned for a strike. At that point, I was curious enough to give it a chance. And that's when I realized something. Fish don't care how complicated a lure is. They don't care how much money was spent making it. They react to movement, flash, profile, and opportunity. This homemade jig head combined all of those things using only a few simple materials. A safety pin, a hook, and a glow skirt. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly effective. Sometimes the best fishing ideas don't come from a store. Sometimes they come from curiosity and experimentation. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually fish with this homemade octopus-style jig head, or would you stick with traditional lures? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share this video with a fishing friend who loves trying new ideas.